get into it. Yo, this is gonna be a January 16th macro review. It's gonna be a review on the macros and how I took a trade on them. Yeah, so we're gonna start off with the 9:30 open. 9:30 open, we opened, went higher, obviously went lower. Then after we went lower. We seen that we had sell side down here, so we took it. Then the 950 to 1010 macro. In the previous videos, you know that these macros give you either a consolidation, reversal, continuation, or a expansion. And it looked like the macro gave us a reversal template into the draw, which is these highs. I believe this high was a good clear draw. I was targeting this high, trailed my stop a little bit too close, and yeah, I think I'm going to post a video on that as well. So after that, do we have a draw on liquidity? Yes, the engineered liquidity here and here. And also, do we have a SIBI or BISI? Yes, we do. And we have a market structure shift here, highlighted in shift. Let me make this capital actually. So we get a shift, then we get a nice imbalance here. Really trusted. This is actually on the 30-second chart, and also on the, that was on the 15-second. This is on the 30-second chart, and we have a nice BISI in here. So this little short-term high up here was a really good target, and taking it off the BISI, you can most definitely get 20 points. And that's where I took partials and went straight to break even. Obviously, if you guys have been following me for a little bit, you know that I take partials at 20 points. Pay the trader, and let's move on to the next macro, which is the 1050 to 1110 macro. So this macro actually gave us a reversal, very much anticipated, especially after taking out these highs. One thing I do want to say is there's a lot more that I take into account when I'm looking at these macros. If you knew what I knew about these macros, you would, not necessarily as a secret, but if I gave you my understanding about these macros, I guarantee you it's more consistent than what you actually think. I'm not trying to be cocky. I just know that I'm pretty sure I'm on the right track when it comes to these macros, these economical events, and just the whole AM session in general, because it's all time based. But let's move on to the 1050 to 1110 macro. We have a reversal template. One, do we have a draw on liquidity? Yes, actually, one of my buddies actually took this short into these lows. So when it comes to entries, do we have a SIBI or BISI? No, we do not. But we do have a breaker, I think, on the 15-second. Well, technically, we do have a little SIBI right here. I did not take it. I didn't find it too pleasing. But we have a shift here, also a breaker, which takes us into this low. Obviously, you have a lot of imbalances in here, so I'm pretty sure we know that this offers a great deal, more than 20 points. So that was a really good reversal on the 1050 to 1110 macro. And now we're going to move on to the 1150 to 1210 macro. This macro was a expansion macro into these lows right here. And one, let's bring back our criteria. One, do we have a draw? Yes, we do. We have sell side. And one, do we have a SIBI or BISI? Now entering this macro, you can see that we take the high, shift, we have a SIBI here. And does it offer 20 points? Yes, it does. So 20 points here, and it takes you all the way to the sell side. Then after, we start to consolidate. So that's pretty much it for the 16th. I'm pretty sure that the macros are going to be like this all week. So anticipate good runs on stops, and also good runs to inefficiencies. Anticipate a lot of manipulation coming into this week. So that's pretty much it. Peace.